In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a member in Notion. If you're managing a workspace and need to update your team members, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open up your Notion workspace. You'll want to be in the workspace where the member you wish to remove is currently part of the team. Make sure you're logged in to your Notion account to access all the functionalities we need for this process. Once you're inside your workspace, the next step is to navigate to the Notion homepage. This is your central hub where all of your pages and workspaces are displayed. From here, you'll find the settings you need to manage your team members. Now, let's proceed to the Settings section. Look for the Settings option, which is often represented by a gear icon. Clicking on this will open a variety of options where you manage different aspects of your workspace. In the Settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Teamspaces. This is where you'll manage all the team members associated with the specific workspace. Click on Teamspaces to proceed further into the Management section. Within the Teamspaces page, the next step is to find Teamspace settings. While it may sound similar, this specific section allows you more detailed control over your team. Click on Teamspace settings to find the next set of options. Now, you're getting close to the final step. You'll find a list of current members in this section. Locate the member you'd like to remove. Beside each member's name, there's usually a three-dot icon indicating more options. Click on this icon. Finally, by clicking the three-dot icon, you should see an option to remove the member. Select this option to proceed with removing them from the team. You may be asked to confirm your choice, so make sure to review the action carefully before confirming. And that's it. You've successfully removed a member from your Notion workspace. Be sure to check and manage your remaining team members to keep your workspace efficient and updated. These steps can be repeated anytime you need to adjust your team member list. Remember, managing your team efficiently in Notion not only keeps your workspace organized, but also ensures that everyone who needs access to important information can have it. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helped you manage your team within Notion effortlessly. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy organizing!